up. Let me interrupt real quick. Always gotta have a blooper, don't we? So it's been a while since I've been on the tube. I apologize. It is always around October when I get my shit back together. Hello, I'm back. So expect a whole ass month of Halloween videos as per usual every year. And yeah, Kakashi has nothing to do with it. TikTok has taken over my life. This app right here has taken over my life ever since quarantine, and I thought that I was gonna catch up on my editing for YouTube videos during quarantine, but no, this dominated my life during quarantine, and I've been very active on here since quarantine. I'm at 20K followers on here, bruh. And I'm at 108 followers on YouTube now. And that's actually thanks to my followers on TikTok. Y'all made me officially hit a milestone on here. I've been on the tube for a very long time. It is very hard to actually gain a following on YouTube. Way harder on YouTube than it is to do on TikTok. I have no idea why. I use the exact same energy and vibe as I have on TikTok. Here, I might actually be a little bit more goofy on here, honestly. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for doing that for me, and I will try to be active on both platforms now, seeing as I do have a queue of old videos that still have not been edited since quarantine, so there's no reason for me to be behind. I think that's the end of this. Now, back to your regular scheduled video. Oh, and real quick, just for old time's sakes, let's change the scenery. Because look, I have an actual background now, also because of TikTok. But because of nostalgic reasons, I think this video, we need to hit it with the black. And there we go. Now, back to your regular scheduled video. For this year's series, I have a 2-in-1 kind of thing going on. No, like, I don't know, half and half. So I do like 10 videos every year, and I have the first fucking airplanes. I love fucking Virginia and jet noise. Are you done? So, for the first 5 videos, they're gonna be based on classic monsters, which, saying as long as I've been doing this, you'd think that I would have done them all by now. I haven't. So for today, I'll be doing a vampire. I've already done a vampire, but the first time I did a vampire, it looked like... yeah. And that was the last time I did a vampire too. So you're about to witness a glow up here on this channel. Okay, but the other 5 after the classic monsters are all gonna be Tim Burton related things. You know, I'm obsessed with Tim Burton. I respect the Burton. If you don't fucks with the Burton, then I don't fucks with you. But for real, don't disrespect the Burton in front of me. Let's just hop right in, okay? Also, the clip that you saw before this, or if I even put a clip before this, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I also don't know what the look looks like yet. I have a vision in my head, but I don't know if it's going to end up on my face the way that I see it. Let's find out. Hello creeps, so here we are back at it again with a cringy voiceover. So of course I'm starting with my eyebrows. I didn't want to go for a regular generic eyebrow look like how you do on a normal regular basis because that's boring. We're supposed to be a spooky vampire, right? So let's make that jank straight and pointed. And of course we're going to use the power of editing to turn that into this. So right about here, I was playing around with the eyeliner because I wasn't 100% sure about how I was going to go about actually doing the look. So all of this is honestly just me winging it. And I have to say, I'm very pleased with what my end result was, and I hope you guys are too. Also, just as a reference, I am using the James Charles palette. I will have every shade that I used listed down below in the description if you want to, for some reason, try to recreate this look. And if you do, please tag me because I want to see them. And once again, we're going to use the power of editing to turn this into that. Real quick, I want to point out that I had the hardest time combing and brushing out the constant knots and tangles in this dang wig, and it caused me the most irritation. Look at that face! I threw that wig out after this video, by the way. Then you want to make sure you get your fangs, because you can't suck no blood without your fangs. And of course, make sure you grab yourself some vampire blood. Be as bloody and gory as you so please. Also, I want to point out that the blood that is inside of my mouth is actual edible blood. The one from the tube is not edible. Make sure to not get that one inside your mouth. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, be sure to hit the bell for notifications to know when I upload every week. And to like, share, comment, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.